Everyone, I'm creating this video for Ingram Water and Air. I purchased this unit this fall. It's now the end of January, and this unit has been working fantastic for me. We're located in New Brunswick, Canada, so you can imagine things get a little cold around here during the winter time. And this unit is operated impeccably. It's operated down to minus 40-degree weather, and it still kept on turning out heat. I was quite surprised. I figured when it got colder we might have a problem getting heat out of it, but the unit inside, it was blowing hot air like crazy, right? Never had a problem with it whatsoever. It's quiet. I built a little house around it to protect it from our snow and freezing weather. Right now we just had a couple inches of snow and are expecting another 10 to 20 inches coming on Tuesday. So the unit's well protected from the elements that way. And right here in this corner, it's what we call in the lee, so the sun hits it and during the daytime when the sun's out, and so it makes it a little bit better for the heat transfer, I believe. And as you can see in the corner there, I've got the pipes so that they go right directly into the house, because what I had to do is I had to tear the wall all out because we've got carpenter ants. So I said, well, might as well turn a negative into a positive and install one of these units while I'm gutting everything. So I got it so the pipes go in through the wall and in the interior of the wall, and I'll show you the inside unit. So the pipes are not exposed, they're inside the wall, which makes it a little bit better looking. So that's the outside unit, and like I said, we bought this from Ingram Water and Air, and I just want you to know that the shipping was real fast. It came from Kentucky to Canada, or actually Calais, Maine, in about 4 or 5 days. And it's a 12,000 BTU unit, and it's got a SEER rating of, I think it's 21, so it's highly efficient. Our hydro bill, I haven't really noticed much difference in it. Maybe $50 running all the whole month, but I can't be sure because I haven't got this month's bill yet. But I'm not expecting any tremendous heating bills. So we'll go inside, take a look at the inside unit now. Okay, here's the inside unit, and as you can see, there's no exposed pipes. It goes right inside the wall, and it's mounted up out of the way. It's got the proper clearance. It's got a foot or so from the ceiling, and it's a good 20 inches or so away from the edge of the wall, so there's lots of room for circulation. And the unit blows the air quite a ways. Like, there's a plant over here in the corner, and that plant moves when the unit's blowing. Here, the unit's not even on right now. It's 70 degrees in here. And as you can see, the unit's not even running right now, so it's pretty efficient. What else can I say about it? One thing we did run into was the copper tubing that leads to the compressor. They sent me a kit, and it came with 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch lines, where actually the unit took 1/4 inch and 3/8 lines. So make sure you verify that you get the proper line kit with it. But it was no big deal because I just happened to have some 3/8 tube in here, so I just switched that out, and I used the 1/2 inch copper line that was already in the wall. I just hooked that up to the drain line, used that for the drain, so no great loss there. And the salespeople were a tremendous help too. They answered all my questions, got me all the good deals, and actually they even mentioned about posting this video line so I can get a little bit of a refund on it. So the unit, I think it cost me $1,300, I think, for the whole unit with kit and everything. That's the wiring, the tubing, and so the only thing I had to supply was the power supply line coming in. And these 12,000 BTU units only draw like maximum of 20 amps, I think. You can put it on a 15 amp breaker, I think, but I've got it on a 30 because that's where the baseboard heaters were run off of, and I just removed the baseboard heaters, rerouted the wire into this unit here, and used the same circuit. So I took out a baseboard heater and substituted it for this. So this unit only requires not even as much power as our 6-foot baseboard electric heat. So I highly recommend these units. Thanks.